So let's see what's inside. Oh, I love snacking on this. Hello, this is Catherine. Welcome to Double O Kidney. In today's video, my top 5 of snacks to improve your kidney health. Here they are from 5th to 1st. If you're tired of all those fad diets leaving you hungry and tired the whole day, today I'll show you some healthy snacks to feel more energetic during the day and still improve your kidney health. A lot of people think that snacking is always a bad thing, but the fact is, there is a lot of misinformation, lies and misconceptions out there about the mainstream nutrition. And there is even the risk that you felt for some fad diet that's going to be disproven sooner than later. So, in today's video, I'll not just show you the healthiest snacks for your renal health. So, let's start immediately. Can't wait to show you our number 5. Let's see what's inside. And it is frozen blueberries. I love snacking on this. They are one of the healthiest foods for your kidneys. Blueberries are full of phytonutrients and are also packed with antioxidants, compounds that your body can use to defend itself against free radicals. These molecules, free radicals, are responsible for aging, so eating foods rich in antioxidants can help you stay young longer. Blueberries are also rich in manganese, useful for the health of your bones, and in vitamin C, great to boost the immune system. They also contain fiber, and this makes them even healthier, since fiber can fight cholesterol and the risk of heart disease. Heart health is important because, remember, anything that helps with the health of your heart will help with the kidneys too. So this is why a lot of people like to snack on blueberries to improve their kidney health. Now, someone in comment asked me, why you keep talking about renal health? Should I even care about my kidneys at all? Aren't those just like filters or something? Well, kidney health is a lot more important than most people think, especially for your overall health and general well-being. If you keep your kidneys healthy, your body will not just be able to filter and expel waste properly. The kidneys also produce some of the hormones required by the body to function properly. Unfortunately, most people will only appreciate their kidneys when they are gone. More than 1 in 10 Americans over the age of 20 show evidence of kidney disease. So I'm not just talking about the elderly here. This is a disease that can be dangerous for everyone. The worst part is that it shows no symptoms until it is in an advanced stage, when your kidneys can no longer remove waste from your blood. They fail. Waste buildup in your body can cause serious problems and lead to kidney dialysis or even death. And a lot of people don't know they have kidney disease until their kidneys fail, because kidney disease is what they call a silent disease. So, to prevent this, do regular checkups and don't forget to get tested for protein in the urine. This is the very first sign of kidney damage, and getting diagnosed early is the best thing to do if you have doubts about the health of your kidneys. Also, share this video with anyone you know who may benefit from a healthier diet. Send them this video via WhatsApp or hit the share button. Let's spread the awareness about the dangers of kidney disease. Okay, let's see our number 4 now. This one will be controversial, I know, but today we are debunking some of the lies of mainstream nutrition, right? So, let's see what's inside. And it is Popcorn? Okay, this video is supposed to be about healthy foods good for the kidneys, right? Are popcorn actually healthy? Popcorn is an intact whole grain, which means that the bran, the germ, and the endosperm are all intact within the kernel. This makes them high in fiber, particularly insoluble, which is like a cleanup substance for your digestive tract. So, popcorn is a whole grain, fiber-rich food that you'll digest slowly and steadily, and that will improve your digestive tract health. Having a better digestive tract health can help avoiding insulin spikes, very dangerous for the kidneys. Sounds healthy, doesn't it? Well, there's more. Popcorn is also a good source of vitamin C, B3, and manganese. It's also very low in calories, especially for a snack food, and can help make you feel full without eating too much. Per 1 cup, or about 125 grams popcorn, has just 31 calories, 1 gram of protein, 6 grams of carbohydrate, 1 gram of fiber, and only trace amounts of fat. 1 cup of popcorn also contains just 280 milligrams of potassium and 8 milligrams of phosphorus. This means that this snack is perfectly safe for the renal diet of any kidney patient. More benefits. It contains free radical fighting antioxidants and tryptophan, an amino acid important for sleep. If you're snacking while watching Netflix before bed, this is a good thing. Okay, what's the catch with popcorn then? To get all these benefits, you cannot eat movie theater popcorn or microwave popcorn. It's not the same thing as what I have here. These are made from plain organic kernels I just air popped without adding salt. And they can also be tasty. You just need to add some cinnamon, pepper, or cayenne instead of salt. Now, you don't have to necessarily buy organic kernels because although almost 90% of the corn grown and eaten in the US is GMO corn, popcorn comes from a different seeds and has not been genetically modified yet. But if you do buy organic, you will avoid pesticides and fertilizers. Most importantly, you should avoid movie theater popcorn because that's full of very unhealthy, low quality oil. Then there's a ton of salt, and the butter they use is an industrial source that's genetically made with artificial ingredients. Movie theater popcorn is poison. Microwave popcorn isn't healthy either. Here, I'll show you one thing. I just bought this from the supermarket. This is a standard box of microwave popcorn you can find here in Italy. Let's open and let's see what's inside. Okay, ew, this doesn't look healthy at all. Have you ever heard of popcorn lung? That artificial butter flavor many brands use is so toxic it has been linked to bronchiolitis obliterans, a rare, life-threatening and irreversible obstructive lung disease. Now, what you see here is crappy hydrogenated oil, palm oil actually, mixed with salt and artificial flavors. This is produced in Spain by French people and sold in Italy. A full European nightmare. Yes, stay away from microwave popcorn. Instead, just buy organic kernels, a lot healthier and still tasty. Okay, let's see our next very healthy snack now. Time for our number 3, and it is hard-boiled eggs. Wait, are eggs healthy for your kidneys? Talking about misinformation in nutrition. If there is one thing that nutrition professionals have had remarkable success with, it is demonizing incredibly healthy foods. Eggs can be a really healthy snack for people with kidney disease. Now, most people will tell me, but they're full of cholesterol. Well, a recent study proved that the cholesterol in the diet doesn't really raise the cholesterol in blood. In fact, eggs mostly raise the good cholesterol and are not associated with increased risk of heart disease and subsequently kidney disease. What we're left with is one of the most nutritious foods on the planet. They're high in all sorts of nutrients along with unique antioxidants that protect your health. They can even help you losing weight. A healthy snack like this, rich in protein and fats between meals, can decrease your hunger and keep you from overeating at mealtime. Also, if you have low albumin, your dietitian may recommend extra protein. This will be the snack for you. But don't go crazy eating all the eggs you can now. There are still a couple of things in eggs that people with kidney disease should limit. They're rich in protein, and while you need some protein, it is better not to have too much. And remember that they contain some phosphorus too. There's about 95 milligrams of it in a large egg, so count that in your daily allowance. Still, having some boiled eggs in the fridge for a quick snack instead of maybe eating some sweets or potato chips or other junk foods can really make a lot of difference. Hard-boiled eggs can last up to 1 week in the refrigerator. Okay, let's see our number 2 healthiest snack now. And it is pears. Delicious. I love them. And they are very low in potassium and phosphorus too, making them an ideal snack for people with kidney disease. Pears are considered as healthy as apples, but they also contain more iron than apples. Iron is really important for people with kidney disease. It helps fighting anemia, a complication of kidney disease that can cause fatigue. Now, the majority of a pear's nutrients are in or just below the skin. Pears are an excellent source of fiber, offering 24% of the dietary recommended intake in one medium-sized pear, like this one that I have. But you have to eat the skin to get all those healthy fibers. A pear's fiber is not just great for regularity, it can also help lowering cholesterol levels and reducing the risk of heart disease, and this can be incredibly useful if you care about the health of your kidneys. Another great news for your kidneys. Pears are full of flavonoids. Flavonoids are plant chemicals that can help safeguard health. In a study of nearly 200,000 men and women regularly eating apples and pears, both rich in a kind of flavonoid called anthocyanins, was associated with a lower risk for type 2 diabetes, a major risk factor for kidney disease. Pear skin is also a good source of vitamin C, 10% of the dietary recommended intake, and copper. Yes, all these nutrients from just a single fruit. Now, before I'll show you our number one, let's get to the bottom of the biggest lie this video is all about. Is snacking really unhealthy like they made us believe? Should you really feel tired and hungry all day in order to achieve a better nutritional status? Even though snacking has developed a bad image, snacks can be an important part of your diet if done correctly. Snacks can provide energy in the middle of the day or when you exercise. A healthy snack between meals can also decrease your hunger and keep you from overeating at mealtime. So while intermittent fasting and other fasting diets are all the rage right now, snacking is still okay on the keto diet. And yes, there are benefits in fasting too, cannot deny it. So, what does science say on the matter? Who is right and who is wrong between fasters and snackers? Here's what we know is true. Choosing the right foods and practicing portion control is a lot more important than eating at a certain time of the day. One study from the National Cancer Institute showed that those who prioritized fruits and vegetables at snack time not only increased their fiber intake, but also lost more weight than those who didn't opt for a fresh snack. So, it looks like prioritizing fresh produce when snacking can not only boost your daily fruit and vegetable intake, but it can even lead to a little weight loss along the way. Snacking can also help prevent binge eating. Opting for a healthy snack with fiber and protein will help power you through to the next meal and keep you from overeating later. But remember that snacking is only healthy if you make healthy choices. So, rather than eating foods that are high in sodium, sugar, and trans fats, such as potato chips, sweets, and other junk foods, snack on something full of fiber and nutrients like the 5 healthy snacks of today's video. So, in conclusion, it's more important what you eat and how much you eat than when you eat it. And there are studies to prove this point. Also, and this is just my opinion, so take it with a grain of salt, but it's a lot easier to follow a diet if the diet is not so strict. Unfortunately, a renal diet is not something you can stop doing. Most of the people that need one have to follow it for all their lives. So why make it even harder than it should be? Okay, time for our number one now. And the healthiest snack for your renal diet is my favorite smoothie. This is the Jumpstart Choco Smoothie. Ready? Really yummy recipe that's as healthy as flavorful. Okay, want to see the whole recipe? Watch this video now. This is all for today and thank you for watching.